Ay, mga student, oh. Maraming books si Shakespeare. Diba? Tingnan mo, puno ang bat, puno mag-queue sila. Oh. Lalo na ito, pareho din ang New York. Ito. Sa likod, oh. Dispensing chemist. Kando, yeah, we go this way. Shall we go up this way? And then we'll come back that way. Oh, another building right there. Ayan ang library nila.
Marami ang ganda ng building na yun.
Oo, yung pausap na.
Ito yung ano nila dito, no?
Yeah.
Mga pinupunta ng mga tao, no?
Oo.
Sa mga building na ganyan.
We need to another day in airport, that one.
Ayan.
Where's the airport?
Chester.
Oh, yeah. Sa Chester, man. Yeah. Sa Chester. Yeah. Sa Chester. And then, you know what I want? And then, you know what I wanted to go as well? You know, the bath. Ancient bath. Where is that? Not in
South.
Yeah, in South. Is it South or North?
South.
Bath.
Bath is that. It's one west of London.
Oh.
Or east.
Where na? Natindigin ko sa ganyan.
Where the church? Oh, that church. Okay. The more na punta tayo sa out of town, the more na luma na.
Oh, yeah. And Heart Foundation, we have to pass that one.
I'll take that photos first. This one is nice. This building.
Ang gaganda. Here's the first.
Ano ba yun? Old God of the Soul. Shakespeare Hostel. Ophthalmologist. You see? We're going to the church.
Dito?
Yun, oh.
Dami! Dami! Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Straight to the church. Si Shakespeare ba ang sulat ng laki? Siya rin naman. Punta tayo dito. Pasok tayo sa church. Tingnan lang natin ang loob. New place.
Family home.
Family home from what? Oh, so nag-move din sila. Family home. So
That one is the birthplace. This is the family home. Baka
Nung lumaki na siya, oo. Ito pa, oh. Tingnan mo ito. Pinalitan na nga nila, oh. Box brand new. Punta tayo doon sa family home. Nandun na si Eddie. Oo. Magkano? Pasukin natin. Sandali.